Hi everyone, and welcome back to another video on my channel. Today's video is part 3 of my Maniology series, and this will be the last video in the series. I'm going to show you plates 164 and 179 that I haven't used yet, do some fall designs. So if this interests you, just keep on watching. So I'm going to take a few designs from M164 Autumn Wishes and also M179 Grow with Love, and I'm going to create some designs that you can do in the fall, in the winter, in the spring, actually any time of year. So if you followed my channel for a while, a few years, you know that I'm a gel nail tech. So I've also mentioned in my Maniology series that I do prefer to stamp over cured gel polish or hard gel. So here I'm just taking a red gel polish, curing it for the 1 minute full cure, and I'm going in with a cat eye gel polish on top. I've been asked to recreate a design using the cat eye gel polishes, so I thought I would do it again to show you how easy it is to stamp on top of gel polish and create designs all year long with stamping. And I chose these two gel polish colors because they are kind of a fall red, and I want to do a poppy design with Remembrance Day coming up. Now, those of you that are in Canada, November 11th is Remembrance Day, and in the States it is Veterans Day. So the poppy is a great easy nail art design that you can do if your clients want to pay tribute to this holiday coming up. I love stamping over top of cat eye gel polishes because you get kind of different colors depending on how the light hits the nail. So once the top coat is on, and I prefer a shiny top coat, that cat eye gel polish underneath just pops. So as you can see here, I am taking acetone with a Q-tip and just removing the name Poppy because I didn't want it on here. And I am going to take the straight up black stamping polish and just extend the stems. So I'm actually quite enjoying painting and doing line work with stamping polishes. You do have to work a little bit quicker because it does dry faster, whereas with gel polish you can take your time when you're doing art designs. And if I'm doing just one nail with the Maniology stamping products, I will wait about 30 seconds before I apply my no wipe top coat and cure for 1 minute. Now I am using the Magic Gel Tactless Hyper Shine. That is my go-to top coat, especially for stamping, because you don't get pitting, you don't get any shrinkage, and you get a nice clean application. And look at this looks so pretty. Now if you wanted to, you could go in with the cat eye gel polish in between the lines and just add some dimension to this design. Okay, I'm going to do the same technique. I have a black gel polish down. I'm taking a red and gold cat eye gel polish, then taking my magnet to activate the cat eye look on the nail, getting the look that I want, and then I'm going to cure for 1 minute because that's what this product that I'm using requires you to do. Then after it's cured and I wipe the tacky layer off, I'm going to go in with Bam White stamping polish, and I'm going to use this rose image. Now this is kind of a technique that you can do all year round. If you have different colors of cat eye gel polishes, if you want that kind of dimension with the magnetized gel polish underneath the image, it changes depending on the light. I hope that makes sense. And again, if I'm doing one nail, I will wait about 30 seconds for the stamping polish to dry. Now I'm going over with a red glass gel. And I mean, you could do this if you have underneath, if you have like a gold or green, you can go over with a green glass gel. And I mean, the options are endless. This is a great kind of like fall wintertime rose, and I really like how this turned out. So even though I am using the white Bam white stamping polish, when you put the glass gel over top, it obviously changes the color and doesn't make that white so bam in your face. Okay, this next design I actually saw on the Maniology website and I wanted to try to recreate it. So what I did is ombre 3 gel colors together, and I'm going in with this plate M164, and I'm going to take this image of a kind of like a fall road with trees in the background. And what I like about this is like, look how many times I'm swiping the plate and I still get a nice crisp image. Okay, that looks so cool. And then once you put the top coat on, that stamping image just pops. So if you are a DIYer and you don't have gel polish, you can do this with a Maniology stamping polishes or their lacquers and create ombres with a sponge. And they have so many colors that you could do, like even a deeper blue black sky with the horizon being more orange, and then maybe the ground where the road is more of a yellow than a kind of pinky cream color. So I mean, the possibilities are endless. Okay, so the next design I want to do is a plaid design, and that's always fun for fall and winter, are these plaid designs. And I'm going in with S'more, the metallic stamping polish, and search for that color on the Maniology website under B479. This is a really pretty metallic stamping polish. And I want to get more because I really like how the metallic stamping polishes stamp so well. Now on the right side of the nail tip, there is a little bit of an oops, and I will go in and sort of draw lines to connect them so it doesn't look like there's a mistake. And then I'm going to go in with Maple, that's B301, and I'm going to draw some lines because I kind of wanted some color with this plaid design. I thought of doing black and I thought, no, that would look too harsh. Even a nice green like pine or dusk that I've showcased in the other two videos that I've done, but this one just sort of all blended in nicely with that pop of red color. And then with the top coat on, oh, I love this one. The whole design just kind of pops. And I think this would be a great accent nail. And pair this up with a set of nails of a rich, deep chocolate or even a deep metallic chocolate brown. And the last design that we're going to do is something so simple. And I'm going to take Sequoia, put it over top of this leaf image, and stamp it onto, again, a lighter background, so a creamy beige. And I like that contrast of a darker image, not a black, but a darker image on top of a lighter background. I think that looks so stunning. And here you're going to see that a bit of the image didn't quite transfer on the side, and that's because my nail tip kept moving. Now on a client's nail, you're not going to have that problem. You're going to actually probably have more stiff fingers, and that can be a problem all on its own. But to spice this design up, I thought I would take a gold stamping polish and just go inside these leaves just to add a little bit of color, a little pop of bling if you don't have crystals that you can use. I thought that was a nice touch. Unfortunately, I don't have a gold from Maniology. I do want to get one. They have several shades of metallic gold that I think would be a nice addition to my collection. And then with the top coat on, I think, again, the image just pops. I really want to try their no smudge top coat from Maniology to see how well that works and how it holds up. And then this is just a close-up of the 5 nails that we just did, or I just did and showed you. So simple, so easy, and a great way to add on to your service for art. If you struggle with hand painting like I do, I think stamping is a fabulous option. Now, I was also asked in a previous video if you could use Maniology stamping polishes on different plates that aren't Maniology. Now, I went and tested it, and in fact, I've used the straight up black with a Halloween Uber Sheet plate, and it's stamped beautifully. I've also used the CGS plates, and the stamping polishes stamp beautifully. So the answer is yes, you can use these polishes on different plates. Another thing I noticed with using the Maniology polishes is that there isn't a strong odor when using them. Yes, there is an odor, like the kind of the nail polish smell, but it's not as strong as, say, the clear jelly stamper is. And I find anytime that I would use CGS, I would get a headache. My clients even noticed the smell, and my clients even noticed how less of an odor that Maniology has when I was using it. So that is a plus for me, because at the end of a service, the last thing I want to do is end up with a killer headache. So that is actually important to me, that the products that I use doesn't affect me or my client in a negative way. So for those of you that have been kind of on the fence with this brand and wasn't sure if you should try it or not, I would say go ahead. I've really been enjoying using this product, and don't forget that I have a discount code Auralite10, and that will give you 10% off your purchases. And that is not a one-time purchase code. You can use my coupon code anytime you make an order with Maniology. So I think that's it for the final video in my Maniology series. If you have any questions or comments, please put them in the comments section below. I will list the products that I used in the description box. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media, and we will see you all in the next video. Bye, guys.